Hi, it's me again. It's the same day. I did the thing on my phone, so now I have more time to record. You see this plant thing here? It just started growing there one day. I don't know what it is. But it's green and it's alive, so I let it stay there. My arm almost fell. Oh, look at that cloud. I see so many things, like a dinosaur and like a almost terrifying horse. Now it's changing and I don't know. There are people that never even look at the clouds. Isn't that really scary? They don't look at flowers. They don't see, like, really pretty leaves. Everywhere they go, because they're not looking. It's so sad. I don't get it. There's a bug flying near the flowers. I don't know what it is. And now I've lost it. Oh wait, there it is! Oh crap, you probably can't see. Hang on, I'm gonna try to zoom. Don't freak out. Aww. Every time you zoom in on a bug, you can take a picture of or something, it's like they know. And they fly away. Anyway. I just wanted you guys to hear the thunder because it's really pretty. I thought it was gonna rain. I think I saw 4 drops fall over there. Oh, you have no idea where I'm pointing. On the sidewalk. And then it stopped. It's still thundering. So maybe. It's really hot. I don't know if you can tell by looking in the picture. Or, you know what I mean. The picture. That's what it looks like to me, anyway. I don't know if you can tell, but it's hot. So I don't know what I want to do. I like having organized videos where I have something written down and then I just have to read it very carefully off a piece of paper. They're usually very short and to the point, and they don't babble like I am doing right now. We're listening to thunder. I feel like everything beats, or listening to thunder beats everything else. So do I want to do organized videos where I have something written down, or do I want to keep doing videos where we're like listening to nature and maybe I just talk about stuff? I don't usually talk about stuff like this to anyone ever, because I kind of feel like I'm being maybe a nuisance, so maybe nobody wants to listen anyway, so if you're enjoying my babbling video, just let me know, and I'll do more instead of the structured ones that I have to wait and get some inspiration, just have like, I don't know, it's a process. And then I write it down and I share it with you guys because it's structured and organized. But also, I could just talk about stuff like this and that would be fine. As long as... Actually, I don't think that matters. Oh my gosh, it's raining! Maybe I'll just do like a mixture. Sometimes I'll babble. I do it. It happens. I feel like I'm saying a lot of stuff that maybe somebody needs to hear, and that could be the whole point, you know? And I'm not doing it any other way, so might as well just do it like this. So this is today's video. I cannot guarantee there will be one tomorrow or the next day. But now I have space on my phone, so I'm out of excuses. I don't think they were excuses. They were really things that were happening, and anyway. So it's really raining, and I have to walk out there to get to my next destination. So, I guess that's all for now. This is Courtney.